Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to see rational functions for year 12 and year 13 students. If you want me to make the video on any other topic, do let me know in the comment section. If you have not watched my previous video, please refer to the card on the top right of this video. Let's get started. Rational functions. Sketch the curve y is equal to x plus 3 divided by x plus 2, showing all points of intersection with the coordinate axes. State the equation of the asymptotes. Let's put the denominator equal to 0 for the vertical asymptote. What is my denominator? My denominator is x plus 2. Let's put denominator x plus 2 is equal to 0. My x value will be given as minus 2. This is my vertical asymptote. Let's make x as a subject. Y is equal to x plus 3 over x plus 2. If I do the cross multiplication here, this will be written as y bracket x plus 2 is equal to x plus 3. If I open the bracket, yx plus 2y is equal to x plus 3. I need to show that for the subject x. So I need to move this on other side and this will be on the right hand side. So yx minus x is equal to 3 minus of 2y. If I take out x as a common factor, y minus 1 is equal to 3 minus 2y. X will be written as 3 minus of 2y divided by y minus 1. Let's put the denominator equal to 0 for the horizontal asymptote. What is my denominator? My denominator is y minus 1. Let's put y minus 1 is equal to 0. This shows you that my y value is equal to 1. This is my horizontal asymptote. Let's take few points so that we can plot our curve more easily. Let's take x is equal to minus 1. This is my curve. If I put x is equal to minus 1 here, y will be written as minus 1 plus 3 divided by minus 1 plus 2. This will be given as 2 over 1, which is equals to 2. My coordinate will be minus 1, 2. Let's put x is equal to 3 here. Y will be written as 3 plus 3 divided by 3 plus 2, which will be written as 6 over 5. My coordinate will be 3, 6 over 5. That will be my coordinate. Let's take the value x is equal to minus 3 here. Y will be written as minus 3 plus 3 over minus 3 plus 2, which will be equal to 0 over minus 1, which is equals to 0. My coordinate will be minus 3, 0. Let's take x is equal to 0 here. Then y will be written as 0 plus 3 over 0 plus 2, which will be written as 3 over 2. My value will be 0, 3 over 2. I need to plot my graph now. This is my graph and I have the asymptotes at x is equal to minus 2. So minus 2 is here. So I put the asymptote here. Next asymptote is y is equal to 1. So y is equal to 1 is here. So this is my horizontal asymptote. This is my vertical asymptote. Now I will plot all my points here. My points are 0, 3 by 2. So this is 3 by 2 is 1.5. So it will be 0, 1.5. So it will be 0, 1.5 is here. Minus 1, 2. Minus 1 is here and 2 is here. 3, 6 by 5. What is 6 by 5? 6 by 5 is 1, 1 by 5. So it will be written as 3, 1, 1 by 5 is approximately here. Next is minus 3, 0. Minus 3 and 0. So I'll plot my curve. I'll join all these points and I will plot my curve like this. Because I have two asymptotes, so my curve will look like this. That's how you can plot your graph. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. Bye-bye everyone.